Understanding the return window in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, return window. This term is commonly used in retail and consumer contexts, so understanding it can be really helpful in everyday situations. A return window refers to the specific period during which a customer can return a purchased product to the store or seller. This time frame is usually set by the retailer or company's return policy. For example, a 30-day return window means you have 30 days from the date of purchase to return the item. Let's look at some examples. Online shopping. The return window for this dress is 14 days from the delivery date. Electronic stores. Our laptops have a 60-day return window for any defects. In these examples, return window is used to specify the time limit for returns. Understanding the return window is crucial for consumers. It helps you know how long you have to return a product if you're not satisfied with it or if it has issues. It's also a key term in understanding consumer rights and store policies. That's all about the phrase, return window. Remember, this term is especially useful when shopping or dealing with purchases. We hope this video helps you navigate such situations more confidently. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.